Hi everyone, this is Victor Pandian. I'll be the instructor for you this session. So hello everyone, this is Victor Pandian from Learn Digital Academy. So in this session we'll be understanding the importance of negative keywords. So as the name says, negative, which will impact our search campaign on Google. So we have to create a list for that where we can save our budget, we can save our cost, we can save the unwanted clicks. Yeah. So negative keywords are one of the most important yet underlooked settings in AdWords. They allow you to exclude your advertisement from showing up for similar or unrelated advertising. Yeah. So for example, when you add free as your negative keyword to your campaign or ad group, you tell Google Ads not to show your ad for any search containing the term free. On the display network, your ad is less likely to appear on a site when your negative key match the site's content. Okay, so suppose the size content, we call it as native ads. When someone is looking for free digital marketing, free courses, or it could be the particular word which you are not even aware of, or which you don't want to get clicked. So on that time you have to create a list of all the negative keyword. So this data you will get once you create your campaign. Once your campaign is live, you'll be able to understand a lot of negative keywords which you have to mark and you have to put it over there. Okay, now, how to create a list? It's very simple. We have to just follow the steps over here. So negative keyword list, we just need to go to your Google Keyword Planner first, and you towards your left you'll be having a page menu. Okay, so under page menu you have to click on the keywords and you have to click on the negative keywords of the list. You have to click on the plus button for creating it. Okay, so create it and give a name to it and add to a campaign where you want to add it. Let's check it practically how it works. So here, first thing you have to click on the Google Ads logo, and towards your left this is called as a page menu. Can you see keywords over here? You have to click on the keywords and you have to scroll down. Can you see negative keywords over here? You have to select your negative keywords list. Now this is the place. I have already created a negative keyword for the learning purpose. So all I need to do is just click on this plus button. Yeah, I need to scroll down over here. Now I have to select a campaign or an ad group. Which campaign I want to add this list, or which ad group I want to add this negative keywords. Very customizable, right? So let me focus on a campaign. I have to select a campaign. So I have created several campaign. Let's say I'm going to look for mobile phone. Okay, so when someone is looking for free, I don't want to show my advertisement to them. Okay, let's say someone is looking for Nokia. I don't want to show my advertisement to them because I'm not selling Nokia mobile phone. Let's take another example. Old. So someone is looking for old mobile phone. I don't want to show my advertisement to them. So precisely you have to understand how important these negative keywords are. Okay. Another one is China. China made cell phones. If someone is looking for that, I'm just taking an example. China made cell phones. If someone is looking for, I don't want to show my advertisement for them. So all you need to do is you have to just create all the list over here. Then you have to come here and you have to just click on your save button. Yeah, so can you see old Nokia free, China free? So these things I have created for these campaigns and this ad group. So specifically I've also created the match types also here, so which will fall under the broad match. When free, everything related with the people are searching for free, I will not be able to show. Google will not show my advertisement to them. Okay, so now after this you have to just select this option and you have to click on this edit option. You can remove or you can change the keyword text by clicking on this. All right, so that's it. That's all about the negative key match, which is very important when you're creating your search campaign and display campaign. Keep this in remember, keep this in your mind whenever you're creating the campaign. Okay, hope this session was really interesting for you. See you all soon in the next session. Thank you. All right. Hope this session was very informative. So let us meet again in our next session. Thank you.